Welcome to Maspalomas Lago Canary Sunset New. If you're looking for a getaway where relaxation meets endless entertainment, you've just found your paradise. Scan that QR code on your screen right now. Trust me, you won't want to miss what this place has to offer. Picture this, a sun-drenched oasis where every moment feels like a vacation highlight. Start your day lounging in the lush garden, where palm trees sway and the air smells like salt and sunshine. It's the perfect spot to unwind with a book or just soak in the serenity. And when you're ready for a little more action, head over to the solarium, a sun-kissed haven with comfy loungers and panoramic views that'll make your Instagram feed jealous. But the fun doesn't stop there. As the sun dips below the horizon, the hotel's bar comes alive with a warm, inviting vibe. Sip on signature cocktails or local favorites while mingling with fellow travelers, or just cozy up and let the friendly staff take care of you. Whether you're toasting to new friendships or enjoying a quiet moment under the stars, this place has a way of making every evening special. Maspalomas Lago Canary Sunset New isn't just a hotel, it's your personal escape, where every corner offers something delightful. So, what are you waiting for? Book your stay now and get ready to experience the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Your dream getaway starts here.